Welcome to Oresh, Bulgaria. We don't just come here in the summer, we do come here in the winter too. Of course it's warmer in Spain, but it's still very nice in a little Bulgarian village. And as long as we're not snowed in, we're fine. We can still get about and mix with the community and go in the coffee shop down below for some coffee, cappuccino, whatever, and some good local company. In the UK, we have classifications for houses like terraced and semi-detached and detached. We need a new one for Oresh, Bulgaria. This is Colin's house. I think we want to call this, and certain others, extremely detached. He's got a lot of land and his neighbours are not very obvious. The views are great, and that's true of most of the houses I've looked at in Oresh. Because the place is very hilly, most of the houses that go up for sale tend to be set into the hills with a view down into the valley. My house is right on top of the hill. There it is. It's pretty isolated apart from the cemetery behind it, and I've been thinking about giving this one up, but here I am standing on top of the flat roof, the bit I'm thinking about demolishing, and seeing if I can persuade myself to do this job after all. Okay, I'm standing on the flat roof. I'm reckoning this, if this was demolished, this would be the way in. I think you can see where the road is just behind. This tree would have to come down and all the other brush, and then we come through here and we have access to this courtyard. We see there's quite a lot of trees here. There's two really big trees and some posts. I suppose it's not that serious. I'm obviously going to keep going back up there and seeing if I can think of something to do with the place. Anyway, back down in Svishtov and opposite my hotel, there's this pub, the Trumpet it's called. In the summer it was far too busy, lots of tables outside, but in the winter I've taken advantage of being quieter, found a black cat to stroke, found a pub that actually likes cats, it says so on a poster on the wall, and found some very good food, the Trumpet. Cats and coffee are two of my favourite subjects, and in Svishtov there's plenty of coffee available on the streets, not just from the machines that appear every 100 yards, but from these Lavazza coffee points. These are actually little shop units that are full of machines dispensing coffee and snacks. Unfortunately, the coffee is always in the native language. I don't understand what types of coffee are on sale. But luckily I found a machine that was a great help to me. Oh yes, it allows you to switch languages, so if you watch the screen you'll see me flipping through until I find English. Then you can have a look at the menu. You've got a picture of the coffee. Even if your language isn't here, you could probably recognise what you want. You make a selection and then it starts brewing it for you. So we'll pick the choc. It's 60 statinki for that, but if you choose the Lavazza brand it's more expensive, so that's 80 statinki. I don't mind, I paid the extra 20 stinkies.